Aloha Bay, Himalayan table, and cooking salt, fine crystals, 15 ounces, 425 grams. Product Overview Description: the best salt on earth, no additives, a fair trade product of Pakistan. Ancient ocean salt. 300 million years ago, a vast primordial ocean covered the area that is now the Himalayan mountain range. The salt from that unpolluted ocean was preserved as large crystal formations. Himalayan salt is the purest and most balanced salt on earth, containing the same trace minerals as the human body. Solid salt crystals blocks are hand-picked, washed and sun-dried. Then the blocks are hammer crushed and sieved in various size crystals. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.